Hey guys, what is good? So today I'm going to show you one of the best trail mixes you can make from home. Homemade trail mix right here. I got some of it in this bag, but I wanted to show you guys the ingredients, so we'll go ahead and get started. So I buy these seeds in bulk. These are sunflower seeds. I buy these in bulk from Rosar's, a store called Rosar's. If you guys don't have a Rosar's in your area, you guys are really missing out. The other kind of seed that I buy are pumpkin seeds, also from Rosar's. They have a good bulk section. Those are organic. Not everything in this mix is going to be organic, but you can either buy these in bulk at a store or you can buy them organically in bulk. The other kind of nut that I use is pecans, and these are not organic, these are just from Costco. And the last things I put in here are also from Costco, dried blueberries, Kirkland brand. These are really good. You guys, again, don't have to get organic. I just got these on hand because they're really good and they're convenient. But they are some of the best things you guys can use in this mix. So we'll go ahead and get started. How I make my trail mixes, I only do maybe about 1 handful to 2 handfuls at a time. It's good for portion sizing. If you're going off of your body weight and things like that, I think just doing a handful at a time is the best way to go about it. So what we can do is we'll go ahead and get some pecans out here. Look at that. Luscious. Give you guys a good shot of that. Throw them in there, like so. Come up here. And just for portion's sake, we'll go ahead and throw in another handful. They're pretty big. Spilling all over the place. Throw them in there. If you guys are having a good day today, playing some music in the background, listening to some beats, just instrumental stuff. So I unwrap this, like so. Scoop it up. Just like that. So here's a handful. Boom. Pumpkin seeds. Some of the best seeds out there. We'll get one more handful. I think I'm just going to do 2 handfuls per seed and nuts that I use. You can literally make anything from home, guys, for a homemade trail mix. It's just one of my trail mixes that I make from home, and I really like this combination of seeds. I also use almonds for my combination. I ran out, otherwise I would have used them for the video. So just cup it like so. You don't really need a whole lot of these because they're super small, but that is 1 handful of sunflower seeds. Some of the best seeds out there. Show you another handful. Boom. And just for the hell of it, and to kind of help you out with your sweet tooth, about a handful of dried blueberries right there. And honestly, the nuts and seed ratio is very high to the berries, so I'll go ahead and add in another handful right here. Next, you don't want to put too much in there to where it takes up the whole bag. You want to leave about this much space, I would say. Get a little bit of the air out and go ahead and seal the bag like so. Boom. Make sure it's sealed. Then next, what you're going to do, and that's what will happen if you don't seal the bag. I'm going to try that again. It should seal. Let all the air out. That way you keep that space. There's no air in there. Next, shake it around. Otherwise it wouldn't be called trail mix. And if it is taking up a little too much room, what you can do, especially with the pecans, I also have walnuts too. I forgot about walnuts. Walnuts is another good one that I like to use. But I am out. Let's go ahead and crush the pecans. Break them like so. So first is spending an extra $5, maybe $8 on a bag of trail mix. You just make your own at home. And maybe you won't get all the pecans, but boom, trail mix right there. Homemade, fresh, whole ingredients right here. Get a little dried out from the nuts and seeds, so make sure you keep some water on you or a beverage of your choice on your travels. Worth the trail mix when you're eating it. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Go ahead and leave a like down there, leave a comment, tell me what you think, or tell me what some of your homemade trail mix recipes are. I'd love to hear from you. And if anything, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.